Have you ever wondered how this vast universe came into being? Was it just chance? Or was there a divine purpose? Listen till the end. Please like and subscribe. Before time began, only the Supreme Lord, Sri Krishna Narayana, existed, silent, infinite, beyond space and form. Out of compassion, the Lord desired, let the souls awaken and rediscover me. That single thought set creation into motion. From Krishna expands Mahā-Viṣṇu, his presence radiant and limitless. With every exhale, countless universes flow from his body like golden seeds. With every inhale, they return to him. In each universe, Mahā-Viṣṇu enters as Garbhodakasai, Vishnu, resting upon cosmic waters, preparing for creation. From his navel grows a glowing lotus, vast and radiant. On this lotus appears Brahmā, the engineer of the cosmos. Brahmā opens his eyes in darkness. Confused and alone, he hears the divine words. Tapa, tapa, meditate. Brahmā meditates for ages. At last he perceives the Supreme Lord in his heart, revealing the blueprint of creation. Creation begins with cosmic intelligence, then ego, then the senses of sound, touch, form, taste, and smell. From the subtle arise ether, air, fire, water, and earth, the building blocks of material reality. These form the Virat Purusha, the universal body. From his head come the heavens, from his feet the earth. Then appears time, the relentless force, moving all things, binding even Brahmā to its flow. Brahmā creates demigods, sages, demons, animals, and birds. The silent universe begins to echo with life. He arranges the heavens, the earthly realms, and the lower regions. Stars, rivers, and mountains take their place. At times, Brahmā falters, uncertain in his task. Yet by remembering the Lord, he continues. From his thoughts emerge beings of light and beings of shadow, forces of harmony and conflict. At last humans are born, carrying free will, the power to rise, to fall, to seek truth. The Lord reveals, this universe is not permanent. It is a place for souls to learn and return to Krishna. Time flows in yugas, Satya, Treta, Dvapara, and Kali. One day of Brahmā equals billions of years. When he rests, creation dissolves. When he awakens, it begins again. Even Brahma's life has an end. After 100 of his years, his entire universe returns to Mahā-Viṣṇu. Beyond all cycles lies the spiritual world, eternal, changeless, radiant with divine bliss. In that eternal realm, the Lord is worshipped in pure love. Devotion alone opens the way home. We are travelers in this vast creation, here to remember our true nature. As eternal souls, out of millions of species, only humans can ask, who am I? What is truth? This chance is rare. The story of creation ends where it began, with the soul returning to the Lord beyond time and space. If you like this story, don't forget to subscribe